In this video, you will learn how to set up payment details on Whop. First, log into your account, open the Whop website, then sign in using your email. Go to the payment settings, access your account settings, and find the section labelled Payment Info or Payment Settings. Add a payment method, click Add a payment method, then enter your billing details, then save to confirm. Remove an existing payment method. To delete a payment method, click on the trash icon next to it. Follow the prompts to confirm. Note, this will not cancel any active subscriptions. Update payment method for subscriptions. Change your payment method to an existing subscription. Go to your memberships and click Manage, then click Update my payment method to enter your new details. Verify everything is set. Double check your updated payment info to ensure it's saved and ready for future transactions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.